Thanks so much for logging on to abc15.com. I'm Allison Rodriguez. We are in for a very warm weekend today and tomorrow. We're talking triple digits starting today, and then we do have that heat alert coming on tomorrow. So for today, 102 degrees is where we're going to top out. A hot afternoon, and those winds will stay light, not tracking any precipitation. It's going to be pretty dry out there. Here's a look at how we're going to get to that daytime high. Upper 80s as we get to the late morning, and then pretty much triple digits in the early afternoon and into the afternoon. And then we will see those temperatures come back down to double digits by about 7 o'clock tonight. Your UV index will be at a 9. That puts us in the very high category today. And air quality will be moderate because of ozone. So if you have outdoor plans, just be extra careful because of that. And also I'm going to give you the yellow light for your activity planner. It starts to get very hot today as well as tomorrow. So try and go early and do these activities as early as you can. Or maybe you want to just head up to the high country. The temperatures look pretty good there. Mid 70s in Flagstaff, 80s in Prescott and Sedona today. Now tomorrow we're calling it a weather action day here at ABC 15, expecting a high of 107 degrees. That would beat the record of 105 set back in the 40s, and that is going to be hovering about 15 degrees above normal. So for tomorrow, we have an excessive heat warning in effect for the Phoenix Metro here. Not all of Maricopa County, but a good chunk, and everywhere you see shaded in that pink. So what are those valley heat threats? Well, excessive heat. So that threat is going to be very high, as well as dehydration, sunburn, UV exposure. No UV alerts right now, but still look out for that. And of course, be extra careful so you don't get any of those heat related illnesses. Valley highs today, as I mentioned, most of us topping out in triple digits, where that average is in the low 90s. So wherever you're going to be today, just know it's going to be very toasty out there. A quick look across the state will show you those temps up north that we talked about, a little bit cooler, but it's really statewide heating here. We're talking 70s in Flagstaff and along the rest of the rim. Now I want to leave you with a look at the 7-day forecast, and you're going to see that weather action day we talked about tomorrow, and high pressure continues to rule for the next 7 days as triple digits don't seem to let up.